इस बार काउंटिंग में चोरी हुआ, that is final. All the persons, all the candidates were brutally assaulted. All the candidates, election agents, counting agents were brutally assaulted and thrown in presence by the CISF, CRPF, and the everyone was standing. All the officers, etc. That is a different thing. We'll see later on. It is a great threat to the democracy. You see, you have seen the election. It is good. People are turning up. It is good. Everything is good. But at the end, what is that? At the end, it is a counting. You tell me whether the press people was allowed to go there. Tell me whether press people. Why the press will not be there? Why the press would be not there? Why the CCTV would not work? Why the CCTV will not be shown by the outsiders? Where is the transparency of the counting? There is no transparency of the counting. If any one of you has seen the counting, then my allegations are incorrect. Whether number one, number two, if you wish to maintain transparency, why there was no CCTV which can be shown by the outsiders, including press? There was a press corners. Why in the press corners it was not shown? Leave aside people. Why the press? Press is to show the transparent things. Whether press has seen that? Press has seen anything what has happened in the counting. Where is the transparency of counting? It's a brutal attack on democracy. They have looted everything during the counting.
दादा आप लोग ये बात कर रहे थे 164(1) के तहत ये कहा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का ये रूल है कि इट मैंडेट्स दैट द गवर्नर अपॉइंट्स द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड ऑन देयर एडवाइस अपॉइंट्स अदर मिनिस्टर हु ऑल होल्ड ऑफिस ड्यूरिंग द प्लेजर ऑफ द गवर्नर। तो अगर गवर्नर मेजोरिटी जो सीट लेकर के आई है पार्टी उसको इन्वाइट करेगी सरकार बनाने के लिए।
हाँ तो होगा, इसके लिए रेजिग्नेशन देने का कहाँ रहा है? Have you read anything? Have you read anything?
मैंने जो बताया।
No, आपने जो बताया that they will continue with that.
Yes.
But you have not said that when a chief minister is lost, he has to submit resignation. Where is that rule? Where is that rule? जी कहाँ बोलते हैं आप?
No, but why are others doing it for so long?
Who has done it, who has not done it, that's a different thing. If you speak, no. If one is, suppose a existing chief minister is going to form a government, he or she will give it.
So it is not mandatory.
It is not mandatory. Show me rule.
सर तो गवर्नर
Because why? By reason of the efflux of time, she is not there.
The assembly dissolves.
Assembly dissolves.
सर तो फिर गवर्नर
एक बात
Yes.
ये है कि कल देखा गया कि
No. That will see.
कल्याणदा वोट का काउंटिंग भी प्रोसेस भी कल बहुत स्लो था, कल ये भी देखा।
बहुत कुछ था. You see, you have seen the machine. You have seen the machine. Machine is showing that charge is 90%, 92%. How it can be? The machine worked whole day in the. Even if you don't use your net, even your battery will come down. How it is? This is the problem had never seen earlier.
Kalanda, you have so many workers who are, they are.
If they are what so many workers in inside only the 16 or 18.
No, I'm saying there are so many workers in the state of Trinamool Congress who are now claiming that they have to run for their lives.
Oh yes.
What will you do? Like legally?
Let us see. Politically, we will fight out first.